We welcome all of you here at RI Ajmer. We have gathered here to share our experiences of mathematics and mathematics practices from each other. This is a conference and we are going to share our experiences with each other. In fact, all around the world, huge discussions are going on just to understand the learners, particularly in respect of learning mathematics. All around the world, people are exploring how the learning of mathematics can be enhanced qualitatively. And this has generated deep interest in mathematics education. The conference Developing Mathematics Teacher for Quality Learning for All, this conference is also intended to discuss about the depth in mathematics education. Our director, Professor Parveen Sinclair, has envisioned this requirement since years and made continuous effort for the betterment of mathematics and its transactional strategies. In fact, this conference is also in the same sequence of our efforts towards reform in mathematics education.
Honorable Professor Parveen Sinclair, Director NCERT, Professor Mahadevan, Professor Ambar Habib, the convener Dr. Chaurasia, distinguished delegates which have gathered here for this conference from all over India, and the participants, especially from Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, the different teachers, PGT, TGTs, art, PRTs, they have come over here for this gathering and sharing their experiences.
Today we are here and I'm glad all of you have come here. We look forward to 3 days of engagement and learning and sharing on developing mathematics teachers for quality learning for all. This is something that we have been wanting to do, and we use the opportunity of the National Mathematics Day that is coming up 2 days from now for holding this. Basically, there were, of course, some points that I had jotted down, but the point is that why is it that so many of us are working, we're working in pockets, including within NCERT, in pockets, towards helping actual learning, understanding, and interest develop in this area, in mathematics, at all levels, at different levels, be it early learning, be it at the UG level. Then why is it that so many years, so many efforts down the line, we're not really being able to come up with something that's visible on a larger plane? Are we very clear about what maths is and therefore what is to be shared, what is to be developed, what is to be motivated? The second issue that I think we will be focusing on in this context, I hope, ये समझना लर्निंग का मतलब क्या होता है, लर्निंग कब होता है, लर्नर क्या है, कौन है, is she something very different from me? Am I not a learner? I as a teacher, am I not a learner? Is my learner not to be treated as my equal, as a human, as a thinking human, with a background, with a lot of understanding of her own experiences? If I see that and if I understand the process of learning, उससे मेरे actions पे फर्क पड़ेगा. There is another thing about devices. Just this morning I was talking to Dr. Mahadevan about Math Lab. This is something that has been bothering, and I see Sunil in front of me. They have a very good, huge math lab over there in Haryana, SCRT. Of course, NCERT has been propagating it. I am taking a different stand. a mathematics lab kept separate will not and cannot help learning. Call it a resource room. Use it. Use the resources there, but use it when you are discussing, talking about, and when the children want to talk about something. Bring in those resources. Let them create their own concrete objects. The administrators need to recognize that things will get damaged when children will play with them and use them. So get more, or let older children in their craft class, for example, or the same children, create something equivalent that will improve their understanding also. So math lab, please don't call it a lab, call it a math resource room. Certainly have resources, let children create resources. That is where it will help your learning, help your children learn, my children learn. A final question I'd like to put to you at this forum is, and I'm having a bit of a problem the country is having a bit of a problem also on this. If you create a pre-service program, now, for example, BL Ed, elementary education, how much mathematics, to what level of mathematics do you want those learners to go in their understanding, at least be exposed to formally, apart from their own interests? Do you say कि 7वीं तक पढ़ाना या 8वीं तक पढ़ाना है इसलिए इनको 10वीं तक का मैथमेटिक्स दो, रिवाइज कराओ, 12वीं तक दो, portions of that? Yeah, they should be exposed to what any bachelor student of mathematics in honors or whatever, general maths does. Similarly, if it's a B.Ed mathematics, what level of mathematics do you want her to formally do with you? I think these curricular and syllabus issues also you need to look at and consider. Because if you want a good teacher coming out, is the focus to be on thinking about pedagogic issues? Or do you want them to go into an option of mathematics MSc tak bhi karna chahiye? Particularly from my RIE context and other institutions that are now, all central universities are opening up departments of education now. They will all, and my curriculum is going to go to everybody. So this is an issue that we do need to look at. Thank you. In these 3 days, I hope I get some answers at the end of it. Thank you so much.